You need to know you're beautiful, you're perfect just like you are.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an Amazon wig review. So this wig that I'm going to be doing a review of, it's going to be a 32-inch synthetic wig. So you can find it on Amazon for under, it's like $22. But I'll leave the link down below for you guys. So let's get started with the video. So this is right here. I'm going to just unbox it for you. I open it. So let's go to the packaging. Show you what comes in it. It comes with a wig cap. Comes with a comb. And then you have the wig. As I said, it is a 32-inch synthetic wig. Okay, so this is how the hair is looking. Let me show you. Okay. It feels good for synthetic hair. It's full. And it comes with this little there. Okay, so let's just put it on and let me see. Let me take a picture of it real quick. This little highlights right here is very full. As I said, I like the curls. It's soft and it's not shiny, and it's synthetic hair, but it's not shiny. So, and then you have right here where you can just put your foundation so it blends in. So let's just go ahead and put this on right now. I'm gonna do that. Hold on. Yeah. And I'm gonna leave a screenshot of where I got it from and people that bought it and everything, so you guys can go ahead and see that also. Let me just use one wig cap instead of over them. So, yeah. I'm gonna use my foundation and see if I could blend that in. So I'm using the True Match powder. So I bought the powder instead of the liquid because I think the liquid was like it's too much for these wigs. I'm just putting it right here. Oh my god, don't tell me. Oh, thought that it was gonna break. Whew. So I'm just adding it. Ooh, okay. I think I have to use the liquid to go in between right here because it still didn't really do anything. Oh, I didn't show you the construction of the wig. So the wig, it comes with an adjustable straps. Well, two adjustable straps right here. It comes with a comb in the back and two combs at the side so you can secure it. So let me go ahead and add this on. Ooh, this is nice. Okay. Very full. It's very full. Okay, let me just go ahead and cut this part off. And you don't even have to glue it or anything, because it's like well secure. Like it's so tight, so you don't have to glue it if you don't want to. But I just put a little bit of my got to be, just to make sure, because I'm gonna do some TikTok with it right now. And it's so very windy outside. And then I'm gonna just use my foundation. I have my foundation right here. So this is CoverGirl True Blend. So I'm gonna just use that, and I'm going to do like the parting. Just gonna put my tail comb in like that. And then I'm gonna just do the parting. Okay. Oh, that's simple to put on. So this is how it looks. Let me see if you guys. So this is how it looks. It's very full. It's 32 inches. It's 32 inches, but because the hair is curly, it looks like 30, but it's 32 inches. Yeah. Tell me if you guys like this hair. I'll leave the link down below. The hair it's not shiny and it's synthetic hair, so that's what I like about this hair, and it's very full. And I don't know if it's gonna knot easily, but I'll let you guys know if it does knot easily, but I don't think it will. But yeah, let me see. I'm gonna show you guys. Hey guys, so I changed it from a middle part to a side part. I think I like it better like this. It looks super good. It looks really nice. It's long. Look at that. So yeah. So this is how the hair is looking. Yeah.